Future-proof your tiny house septic by planning capacity, access, and expansion paths now so the system can scale when the dwelling becomes permanent. Design the system around an oversized septic tank that provides extra retention and reduces solids carryover while leaving room to add a second tank later if needed. Size the tank at least 50% larger than current code minimums for the tiny house based on projected future occupancy and water use. Provide easements and clear zones for future leach field expansion by identifying and marking additional trench areas during site planning so you avoid later conflicts with landscaping, driveways, or structures. Route utility lines and access risers to permit straightforward connection to new trenches or parallel treatment units without major excavation. Keep electrical conduits in continuous, labeled sleeves, and use junction points above grade where local code allows. Consider a modular aerobic treatment unit that can be paralleled later because these systems treat effluent to higher quality, and two smaller units in parallel are easier to install incrementally than replacing one undersized unit. Conduct and document comprehensive soil percolation tests, seasonal high water table elevations, and site constraints now, and keep those reports with the property file so installers and permitting authorities have reliable baseline data. Plan and map locations for additional trenches and reserve an area on the site plan showing where future dispersal fields will go so you do not compromise options when the house becomes permanent. Common mistakes include undersizing the tank and then facing frequent pump outs and premature clogging, which you avoid by sizing the tank larger and by budgeting for routine maintenance and effluent filters. Another issue is failing to reserve physical space for a larger leach field, which you prevent by marking and recording expansion easements and avoiding hardscapes over those areas. A third concern is running utilities in ways that complicate later expansion. So run flexible conduit, install serviceable risers and junctions, and document all runs on as-built drawings so future work is straightforward. BigHomeProjects.com connects homeowners and contractors around projects like this by letting us post site plans, ask questions in the discussion community, and find professionals experienced with septic scaling for tiny houses. We help contractors find work by giving them visibility on projects where owners are planning future conversions.